Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered why 1st April is called as April Fool's Day? Here is an interesting historical fact. Just have a look at the calendar for the month of September 1752. Go to Google and type September 1752 calendar and see for yourself. You will notice 11 days are simply missing from the month. Here is the explanation. This was the month during which France shifted from the Roman Julian calendar to the Gregorian calendar. Julian calendar was proposed by Julius Caesar in 46 BC, which was a reform of Roman calendar. Gregorian calendar is named after Pope Gregory, which was introduced in October 1582. Since the Roman imperial system miscalculated the length of the solar year by 11 minutes, the calendar had since fallen out of sync with the seasons. Julian year was 11 days longer than a Gregorian year. So, the King of England ordered 11 days to be wiped off of the face of that particular month. Consequently, the workers worked for 11 days, less than month, but got paid for the whole month. That's how the concept of paid leave was born. Held the king. In the Roman Julian calendar, April used to be the first month of the year, but the Gregorian calendar observed January as the first month. Even after shifting to the Gregorian calendar, many people refuse to give up old traditions and continue celebrating 1st April as the New Year's Day. When simple orders didn't work, the king finally issued a royal dictum which stated that those who celebrate 1st April as the New Year's Day would be labeled as fools. From then, 1st April became April Fool's Day. History is really interesting. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe.